Mouse on the track, back in full effect. One more time, got a close grip, never gonna slip. This what I do, bro. Shit, we getting to the money, we getting to the action. You know what I'm saying? We in the place to be at all times. What the streets need, what the streets asking for, we providing it without no hesitation. Shout out to the cinematic, you know, gonna keep it gangster.
Now I was just getting back on the straight pace. I was just gearing up for a payday. Past due bills longer than a daily. Didn't hit me up the blue with a fake case. Sometimes everything don't go right. Yeah, try to make it feel like a low life. Even if I had a rolling in the neck chain, I still ain't flossing like the next man. I don't find what they find in the rest thing. Every year they gotta give me what's the next thing. It's the same old music, nigga can't go through it. Before you have a breakdown and you lose it, just smoke and ride with me. Ride with me, ride with me. We gon' figure it out. Get high and vibe with me, vibe with me, vibe with me. We gon' figure it out. Just smoke and ride with me, ride with me, ride with me, ride with me. We gon' figure it out. Get high and vibe with me, get high and vibe with me, vibe with me. We gon' figure it out. Early in the morning when the debrief, gotta put it in the air just to think straight. Take a shot of street liquor with a straight taste. Gonna make it feel like you're in a safe place, but it's still prejudice, got a face race. When you're living in a case, when you're living in a case, when you're living in a case, gotta be extra careful around here. Every smile that you see ain't real. Everybody gon' say keep it real, but they all ain't appreciative. Take your kindness for weak, then they deal. Before you snap and hit them with the full bill, just smoke and ride with me, ride with me, ride with me, ride with me. We gon' figure it out. Get high and vibe with me, vibe with me, and vibe with me, vibe with me. We gon' figure it out. Just smoke and ride with me, ride with me. We gon' figure it out. Get high and vibe with me, vibe with me. We gon' figure it out. Just smoke and ride with me. We gon' figure it out. Get high and vibe with me. We gon' figure it out. Just smoke and ride with me. We gon' figure it out. Get high and vibe with me. We gon' figure it out. Just smoke and ride with me. On the instrumental. Just getting strong, money getting long, but these hoes on the phone. Life just getting better, The pussy more wetter, man, I'm on another level. Guess the grass getting greener over here. 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 The stacks getting louder. The freak hoes getting wilder. The grass getting greener over here. The grass getting greener over here. The grass getting greener, man. I can see the change. Prices on the incline, they ain't cheaper, man. These groupie hoes, they some stock rise watchers. Made it a profession, you a true dig hopper. Money ready, money heavy, see the color swapping, grass greener. And thicker like I fertilize it, bossed up, sauced up, making better choices, fast pace, accelerate like for 100 horses.
Don't get tired.
That's that dedication.
Don't get tired.
That's that dedication. That's that dedication. That's that dedication.
Don't get tired.
That's that dedication.
Don't get tired.
That's that dedication. That's that dedication. That's that inflammation. Niggas playing games. That's that recreation. Get the job done. Fuck the hesitation. Black billionaire minds gotta keep going harder. Wanna see the grass green like a tropic rainforest. Some of y'all stuck in the ground. Grass getting greener, we ain't fucking around. Kush getting stronger. Money getting longer. These hoes on the phone. Life just getting better. The pussy
So box to that. Let's go,
baby, I'm a
all the time.
Stacks on deck. Buy what I want.
Give me that.
You can drop it low. I'ma toss some dollars.
Hey.
Cars range from Phantom to Impala. Baby, I'm a boss. Do what I want. Stacks on deck. Buy what I want. You can drop it low. I'ma toss some dollars. Cars range from Phantom to Impala. Baby, I'm a boss.
From condos to condos, stacks I need more. From burning blocks in VR to bleeding blocks on Yoko. My hood taught me economics, marketing, and finance. Learn how to be resourceful as a kid, champagne. Non-soldier got stacks on deck. Head moaning in the mirror like I'm so blessed. Know my kids eating good, make it worth the stress. Every day I'm up grinding, trying to bring more checks. Hey, what's the business worth? The number make it make sense. Turn that 1 to a 9 and we got a deal. And when it worked out, add 1 0, do it one more again. Man, it take ends to make ends. Make it go to the boss.
Do what I want, stacks on deck. I can buy what I want. You can drop it low, cause I'ma toss some dollars. Cars range from the Phantom to Impala. Baby, I'm a boss. I can do what I want. Stacks on deck. I can buy what I want. You can drop it low, cause I'ma toss some dollars. Cars range from the Phantom to Impala. Baby, I'm a boss.
I'm fresh every day. Walking out a Foot Locker with about 10 pair of J's. House laid 3 stairs with a pool in the back. Long way from cross the track in that one room shack. Now I got too many cars. Ain't no room in my yard. They call it Boots and Dukes of Hazzard, cause them Challenger cars. Gucci hat, Gucci belt, never felt so clean. 2004 I had go, I got rich all clean. Flat screens up in the dresser, fish tanks up in the wall. I step off in the mall like phone, I want it all. Been a hustler since knee high. Now I ride G-High, now I ride G-5. Boss in my living.
Do what I want, stacks on deck. I can buy what I want. You can drop it low, cause I'ma toss some dollars. Cars range from the Phantom to Impala. Baby, I'm a boss. Do what I want, stacks on deck. I can buy what I want. You can drop it low, cause I'ma toss some dollars. Cars range from the Phantom to Impala. Baby, I'm a boss.
Being nice and no stressing over bills. No more running from the police and dreaming about a meal. Your grind gain your money, your hustle, that's your worth. I'm so loyal to my family, I can't stand to see them hurt. No more penitentiary chance, wanna watch my kids grow. Did my time, pay my dues, don't need that no more. Be might keep the score, watch the big dog go. Mash the gas on this gab, that's what keep the bread flowing. I'm the main in my shit, make sure my cabinet stay filled. Lazy need to pack this shit and jump off a bridge. Can't deny, go get a gates and drop. Let me in, it's my calling and my destiny to win. Boy, I love it.
I'm a savage, so you know I like it. I'm a savage, so you know I like it ratchet. All that ass, I gotta have it. If she clap it, I'ma slap it. If she nasty for the camera, when she flash it, I'ma slap it. Long hair, I'ma slap it. Let me hair, don't care. Let me grab it on bundle. Makeup, hair, did, got kids, but she still buy wigs. Yeah, my bitch got bundle. Hood, bougie, and petty. Got good pussy and credit. Yeah, my bitch got bundle. 20 inches I can pull from the bag. Yeah, I keep a fist full. Yeah, my bitch got bundle. Silk straight, full lace. Made a hair around the edge of her face. Yeah, my bitch got bundle. Savage life since day one. A1. Independent bad bitch hits, you should play one. Scrapped up with a gold pack, ready to lay one. It's clear to see that I'ma be like this until I'm gray. I keep my game face on, I don't play now. I don't think you wanna go that way, cause I go about my motherfucking way now. Playing hard to get, I'm like, say mine. Bend that ass over, you gon' pay now. I'm straight now. I'm a savage, so you know I like it ratchet. All that ass, I gotta have it. If she clap it, I'ma slap it. If she nasty for the camera, when she flash it, I'ma slap it. Long hair, don't care, let me grab it all, yeah. I like a bitch who got bundle. Makeup, hair, did, got kids, but she still buy wigs. Yeah, my bitch got bundle. Good, bougie, and petty. Got good pussy and credit. Yeah, my bitch got bundle. 20 inches I can pull from the bag. Yeah, I keep a fist full. Yeah, my bitch got bundle. Silk straight, full lace, baby hair on the edge of her face. Yeah, my bitch got bundle. I throw it in some coupons, no roof on. Straight pressure, fresher than a newborn. What you doing? A top notch, hot twat, 2-1. Flute on. Come time, come watch what I do to him. I'm used to him. Lay your ass out like a fruit. Lay your ass, move on. Girl, you know your damn hair too long, no weave on. Intercept bustin' on them like Dion. 3 phones, crank it up, I'm riding like a neon. No skis on, she sneaking for this python. Already know what she on. Old man, nice home, she called me soon as he gone. Sweet John, I ain't listen that you pee on, but keep on. Then y'all gon' see what kind of shit we be on. Be gone. I'm a savage, so you know I like it. We be on. Be gone. I'm a savage, so you know I like it. Ratchet, all that. Be gone. I'm a savage, so you be gone. I'm a savage, so you know I like it. Know I like it. Know I like it. Know I like it. Ratchet, all that ass, I gotta have it. If she clap it, I'ma slap it. If she clap it for the camera, when she flash it, I'ma slap it. Long hair, don't care. Let me grab it all. Yeah. I like a bitch who got bond. Makeup, hair, did, got kids, but she still buy wigs. Yeah, my bitch got bond. Hood, bougie, and petty. Got good pussy and credit. Yeah, my bitch got
with your boo, but watch my shoes. You can get loose, but watch my shoes. Cause you'll get blues, don't watch my shoes. Do what you do, but watch my shoes. Dance with your boo, but watch my shoes. You can get loose, but watch my shoes. Cause you'll get blues, don't watch my shoes.
Watch my G-night, you ain't heard about that, Anna, get your man right. Hey, now watch it, or you gon' feel some hack, Wouldn't watch where you step and watch what you say. You know what I rip, no bullet I don't play. I got them hands and quit to throw 'em in your face. Inside fist box, outside gun gay. Get it how you live, dog this trill, yeah. Boy, you too hype, take a chill pill. You run in your mouth, look, this don't matter. You too hype, take a chill pill. You run in your mouth, look, this don't matter. This don't matter. This don't matter. Run in your mouth, look, this don't matter. Hit you with that profile, yo, don't slatter. And I talk out, cause I'm bout that. I ain't rubber like you know where that south is. You grilled up, I knock you out. You can step on my kicks, you don't wanna take that route.
What you do, but watch my shoes. Dance with your boo, but watch my shoes. You can get loose, but watch my shoes. If you'll get blues, don't watch my shoes. Do what you do, but watch my shoes. Dance with your boo, but watch my shoes. You can get loose, but watch my shoes. Cause you'll get blues, don't watch my shoes.
Do what you do, or get loose. But I know one thing, you better watch my shoes. Do how you feel, do what you like. Step on my whites in the club, we gon' fight. Got that liquor in your cup, that killer in your hand. But watch the way you buck, and watch the way you dance. They don't like these, cause they ain't got these. But you better watch these, or catch a 2 bows. Do you, cause I'ma do me. Bucking hard to the ceiling off a mouse beat. Popping them, we leave the tags on. So chew a pill, smoke a, get your swag on. You might do it straight, but you don't do it like me. Fresh to bows, white tee, 300 on the feet. I ain't hating on you, but just watch the way you're fucking. Just watching on my shucking, I won't make a slide.
What you do, but watch my shoes. Dance with your boo, but watch my shoes. You can get loose, but watch my shoes. Cause you'll get blues, don't watch my shoes. Do what you do, but watch my shoes. Dance with your boo, but watch my shoes. You can get loose, but watch my shoes. Cause you'll get blues, don't watch my shoes. Damn it, I'm about to hit the spot. I'm finna make some motherfuckers hot. Get them business, get them bitches all blue. Already know what I'm about to do. Why me fuck it, why me fuck it, why me fuck it, fuck you love. Why me fuck it, why me fuck it, why me fuck it, fuck you love. Why me fuck it, why me fuck it, why me fuck it, fuck you love. Why me do, why me do, why me do, why me do. I'm 10 toes down, but I've been up. I know you see I'm lit up. I've been gassed up, smoking, drinking liquor. Boy, I motherfuck these people shit up. And can't nobody tell a nigga shit. Tell a nigga shit, nigga, everything legit. Nigga, everything legit. Send a couple files to the VIP. And I'ma bless the waitress with a tip. Boy, I'm about to come through. Let me do my 1, 2. Put myself in this position, now it's time to was waiting for this moment, I was by the time. I'm about to hit the spot. I'm finna make some motherfuckers hot. Make my girl the feelings, get them bitches all blue. You already know what I'm about to do. Why me fuck it, why me fuck it, why me fuck it, fuck it up. Why me fuck it, why me fuck it, why me fuck it, fuck it up. Why me fuck it, why me fuck it, why me fuck it, fuck it up. Why me do, why me do, why me do, why me do. And tell me what's the word. I don't think these motherfuckers hurt. And tell me what's the word. I don't think these motherfuckers hurt. And tell me what's the word. I don't think these motherfuckers hurt. Better pay attention, need to take a look around. Boy, I'm about to shut these people shit down. Pass around the goods like stock. Nigga too real to be got blocked. Yo, put his hands in knock Scott. Boy, you know I'm Mr. Watson. Yeah, boy, I got jammed with some kilos. Boy, I got jammed with some kilos. Yeah, boy, I got jammed. Yeah, boy, I got jammed. Boy, I got jammed with some kilos. How that nigga steal in the street though? How that nigga steal in the street though?
I got somebody working with the people.
I'm about to hit the spot. I'm finna make some motherfuckers hot. Make my girl the business, get them bitches all blue. You already know what I'm about to do. Why me fuck it, why me fuck it, why me fuck it, fuck it up. Why me fuck it, why me fuck it, why me fuck it, fuck it up. Why me fuck it, why me fuck it, why me fuck it, fuck it up. Why me do, why me do, why me do, why me do. I don't need overpriced pants or shirts, cause I didn't have. Everybody wanna be the man like Diddy. We all guaranteed. I don't need overpriced pants or shirts. I didn't have nothing but. Bitch, I've been the man since birth. wanted was for me to be a baller. I wanted me the same kind of car as my barber. Had a no school with the neighborhood hoods. Colors with the Daytons and the Manny's and the Moors. I seen 1 for 10 and I had it, so I paid it. Thought it was the ticket, it was really overrated. If you ball out, better know your limits. Handle your business and control your business. Who got no flavor? Who got the juice? Bitch, I've been the man since I popped out the pooch. Getting to the money, man, that's all the beat. So everybody hustling, they don't wanna be though. Everybody wanna be the man like this. We all guaranteed our 15 minutes. I don't need overpriced pants or shirts, cause I didn't have nothing when I entered these earth. And bitch, I've been the man since birth. 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 I'm a Roma, turn up in the goddamn place that I want. I kick you with the geeks and the freaks and the stones. That's the freaks and the stones. That's the West California. Shout out to the Bloods and the Crips. It's the Bloods and the Vibes. It's on high, getting high. And we thug and ain't no motherfucker tell a nigga look at. We ain't got it on, but we sure it. Gotta step up, but we ain't gon' get it. I'ma keep rolling like Tita. Turn it like a move, sure they gon' see us. Getting to the money, man, that's all that we do. Turn it like a move, sure they gon' see us. Getting to the money, man, that's all that we see us. Getting to the money, man, that's all that we do. That's all that we see us. Getting to the money, man, that's all that we do. Everybody hustling, they wanna be. Everybody hustling, they wanna be. Everybody wanna be the man like this. We all guaranteed our 15 minutes. I don't need overpriced pants or shirts, cause I didn't have nothing when I entered these earth. And bitch, I've been the man since birth. 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 You and your niggas got a vision to be ballin' and shit. Get a lick, cash, chick, and come up out of this debt. It's complicated. It ain't easy.
Shout out to Manny Fish.
Come up out that mud just like a 4-wheel drive. Can't let everybody roll. Gotta leave some behind. Insignificant niggas could fuck up your whole vibe. You taking the whole 9, attacking from all angles. Start flexing on them bitches like personal trainers. Nigga, shut up. 15 fiend, get your weight up. Eating when you poor, you ain't trying to pick your plate up. Your people tell you stay up, you ballin'. IRS calling. Since a million said you gotta pay up. I ain't that about a bitch. Don't even trip. Just know when you get your check, the doctor 30%. Don't even try to beat the system. Get your tax legit. Buy a brand new whatever, and they can't tell you shit. Pull up in your drive, or jive. And you look up with your new boo, no rule. Pull up in your drive,
Stand up, Louisiana!
I'm open 24 hours like a Walgreens. Or Mickey D's, or a hospital. Or Mickey D's, or a hospital. I always say my wiggle big, cause it's not little. Wiggle, wiggle, all this picker, girl, have fun. I hear the naked, you can check that she don't have none. Yeah, y'all trying to scare some. I keep a calm till that boy can get his hair done. Go, put your head to the floor. You know how it goes. I'm a
Yeah, I go dummy, but tonight I'm going hammer like. Bitch, I'm going MLCC hammer. 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 Bitch, I'm going hard like a motherfucker. 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 MLCC hammer. Yeah. For a nigga back, let me quarterback. Drew Brees, Bay Manning, yeah, all that. New J's, new fit, put a ball cap. Dumb shit, dumb way, yeah, I'm all that. So put your hood up, nigga, put your hood up. In the club, only rolling up that good up. Nigga mugging me, bitch, I wish you would touch. DJ grade level music, everybody stood up. Can't stop, won't stop, let me crank it up a notch. I go ham, nigga, bam, I ain't never had a top. I was broke, I was modest, but my pants about to drop. I couldn't even remember, I forgot.
That what the vibe is. That what the vibe is.
Stand up, Louisiana. Get your vibe on, baby.
That what the vibe is. That what the vibe is. That what the vibe is.
Benny and Gucci, I be designing. Then I ain't Lucci. I'm on that fly shit. That what the vibe is. 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 Benny and Gucci, I be designing. Then I ain't Lucci. I'm on that fly shit.
That what the vibe is. I'm rocking these diamonds. AP shining. Perfect timing. I met her in Onyx. Shorty fine as shit. I gotta be honest. I'm in love with it. I pour for the tulip. Sipping on codeine. All these people acting like they know me. I be on the floor seats. You be in the nosebleed. Running from the police. Trying to get a whole thing. Yeah. I had to change it, they biting my style. Fuck my BM, she gon' say I'm alive. He gas it up, I'ma set it on fire. Fuck the DA, I'ma take it to trial. I wanted this shit since I was a child. Break up the money, put it in a pile. Bitch, you a rat and they got it on fire. Don't let you come back and free all of my style. That what the vibe is. That what the vibe is. That what the vibe is.
Benny and Gucci, I be designing. Then I ain't Lucci. I'm on that fly shit. That what the vibe is. That what the vibe is. That what the vibe is. I be designing. Then I ain't Lucci. I'm on that fly shit.
She a lit vibe, yeah. Bad lit vibe, yeah. Give my time, yeah. She gon' like that. I turn the 1 to the 2. Don't jump right back. Got a big motor go room. Up in that Hellcat. I had to run up a bag. I had to get off a pad. Jump in the phone real fast. Shawty got too much of ass. And she ain't got no bag. Fuck with me, get you some rags. You better get you a pass. My niggas don't know how to act. I just stuff my pockets up with nothing but them big bills. Try to take some from me, then I'm spinning like a windmill. Adderall and Percocets, I don't do the X pill. Come and vibe with me so I can show you how my sex feels. That what the vibe is. That what the vibe is. That what the vibe is.
Benny and Gucci, I be designing. Then I ain't Lucci. I'm on that fly shit. That what the vibe is. 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 Benny and Gucci, I be designing. Then I ain't Lucci. I'm on that fly shit.
I feel it kicking in. I feel it kicking in. I feel it kicking in. It's dripping down my skin. My body glistening. My light on. I feel it kicking in. I feel it kicking in. It's dripping down my skin. My body glistening. My light on. My light on. My light on. Oh, life ain't like my time. I just wanna shine while I live mine. I I just wanna live, wanna eat good. Fuck a Big Mac, got some French fries. I just wanna hit the mall with no issue. Never worry about a credit card decline. Medicated vegetation, got I smoke on. Just so I can time travel like Einstein. I've been grinding, it's a driving. All these diamonds, so inspiring. Get back up when you fall, that's the soul of a winner. We gon' ball for the fall, stack it loop in the winter. Life ain't nothing but a ball game. I can feel the truth in my own reach. You can see the sparkle on my skin tone. Niggas ain't got nothing on me. When my mama see me, hope she ain't embarrassed for acting like a nigga that ain't never had shit. Acting like a nigga that ain't never had shit.
I feel it kicking in, I feel it kicking in. It's dripping down my skin, my body glistening. My light on, my light on, my light on.
Get my light switch, turn my light on. Feel like BG, get your shine on, get your shine on. Feel like BG, get your shine on. Bitch, I'm up there, I'm in sky zone. Bitches jumping, I ain't frontin' nothing. Hold up, you can't ride for free. I got mouths to feed. I don't need your energy. Tryna vibe with me. Just can't let a nigga feel it like that. Nigga, we don't need much ticket like that. I was a little bit, but I'ma get it right back. I just wanna see the whole city shake back. I was a little bit, but I'ma get it right back. I just wanna see the whole city shake back. I just wanna see the whole city shake back. I was a little bit, but I'ma get it right back. I just wanna see the whole city shake back. Nigga call, try to ask me for a favor. I just know he wanna steal a little flavor. I don't need a gang of niggas full of saviors. Circle small like the center of a beagle. But when my mama see me, hope she ain't embarrassed for acting like a nigga that ain't never had shit.
I feel it kicking in, I feel it kicking in. It's dripping down my skin, my body glistening. My light on, my light on, my light on. Oh, whoa.
Yeah, DJ Field Coach. Shout out to all my niggas. Yeah, stand up Louisiana. Yeah, trying to get back to them Tigers, man. Know what I'm saying?
Always fly in the drone, baby. I never really took you for the fat time.
420 on the way.
The busters probably read you wrong, man.
Yeah.
See, I always kept you in the spotlight. You were always eccentric.
Let's bring this back, man.
Not to mention all
We live, man. Hey, we live, man. I'm talking about we live. Field Coast Studios, H-Town, Texas. Yeah. J.O., 420, baby. What's up, Big Harris? 420, baby. What's up, G? 420. My brother Power Wow, baby, you coming home. 420, baby, yeah. JB, what it do? Hey, what's up, DC? Biggie, Funky Fingers. That's our cook, man, Funky Fingers. We love you, baby. Yeah. Yeah.
Never really took you for the fat type. The mother busters probably read you wrong, mate.
Yeah.
See, I always kept you in the spotlight. You were always eccentric. You had pizzazz. Not to mention all that.
Y'all be on the lookout for that. Mouse on the track. Dropping 420, baby. Got roaches in the ashtray, man. Yeah, we ready for that 420, man. Hit me up, man. Hit me in my DM. DJ Field Co _. You know what I'm saying? 79. Put that 79 on that thing. Hey, hit me up on Facebook. Man, I'm on that YouTube, man. DJ Field Co 79. Put that 79 on that thing, man. Yeah, cause you know what? I'm gonna tell y'all why. Hey, excuse me for a minute, man. What's up, GB? Time for you to come home, boy. I'm feeling myself right now. Yeah. 79, man. Jumped out the road in 79.
2009.
Yeah.
2009.
Yeah. Jumped out the road in 79, man. Yeah. What's up, big bro? I see you, baby. That's that food, man. What's up, Tony? What's shaking, baby? Hey, shout out to Louisiana I-10, the whole I-10, man. You know what I'm saying? Lake Charles, Lafayette, BR, New Orleans. That's my stomping ground, man. Homer, Shreveport, Bossier City, Alexander, Nattown, Cracktown. Yeah, yeah. What it do? Fair day, where is it? Yeah. 79, man. Jumped out the room. Yeah. Touchdown in H-Town, got that old 79 Caprice. Butter inside, peanut butter outside. Yeah. Put some duns on that thing, man. But hold on. 79 El Camino. All original. Yeah, that's me. Yeah. Joe. J.O. MC on the way, baby. Yeah. We pulling out the bourbon. We pulling out the Monte Carlos. We pulling out the Caprices. What's up, baby? We pulling out them Benzos. It don't matter. Yeah. Shout out to Mouse on the track. DJ Wop. DJ All Night. DJ Primo. Yeah. The old DJ Jazzy Jeff that came out of retirement, man. Yeah. Shout out to my mama, man. Yeah. Happy birthday, big sister. Shout out to all my nephews and my nieces. Yeah, that's what a real nigga do, man. Yeah. What's up, J3? That's my nigga. Big Sal. OG, man. Yeah, let's get back to it, man. It's your boy.
On the weekend. Ever since we haven't been what I was speaking. In a year, 2 months in the week. We fell in love in Miami on the beach. 1/1/14 New Year's Day. Woke up that morning, my fiance. Another year, 4 months later. We was getting married in Jamaica. I was just in my room. A nigga had to do a thing. A nigga had to do. Committed to the Spanish and the rules. Wasn't really hard for me to choose. Cause you the one girl, you the one girl. We can both shine brighter than the sun, girl. Have 2 baby boys, maybe 1 girl. Live life, but before you take flight, let me fly with you. 2 baby boys, maybe 1 girl. Live
Happy 420, man. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Don't roll your lips up, man. Don't take a puff, man. Inhale. Exhale. Yeah. Blowing big, baby. You know we blowing big. Oh yeah, we still vibing.
I keep the dough, I fold the fold. They stress and mold, they hate and mold. Stay from around me, from round me, from round me. I keep the dough, I smoke the blow. They stress and mold, they hate and mold. Stay from around me, from round me, from round me. Pills dope, they got it. Fresh Regals, they ride it. Motherfuckers, they hate it. Zooted, faded, high rated. Loaded with high pressure. It's potent, steady, floating. The haters, they bad. Even icicles, decaying niggas. Flooded with hatred, bitches. They wicked, they gushers, bitches. The corner, they tryna get it. The wigs, they tryna split it. The devil, he smiling, sneaking respect. It's hard to get it. I grind from start to finish. I seen them devil visions. Pay attention, no weakness. Pay attention, who creeping. Distorted, twisted features. They creatures itching for the fleas. They hard, they run and lead. Shit, they bad pressure. Cause I'm sipping, rolling potent. Ocean floating, hoping. Dreams of finding things that seem like hocus pocus. Faded bad, choking, joking. High as a motherfucker. Focus on that color purple. Oprah and intoxicated emotions. Medicated thoughts, emotions on that futuristic post. I keep the dough, I fold the fold. They stress and mold, they hate and mold. Stay from around me, from round me, from round me. I keep the dough, I smoke the blow. They stress and mold, they hate and mold. Stay from around me, from round me, from round me. You can miss me, you can miss me. You can move around, move around, move around, move around, move around, move around. They got hypocritic hearts, never practice what they preaching. I ain't just Sunday morning and a demon Sunday evening. Deep in meditation when I blow at night. Niggas wanna kick it with me, but their soul ain't right. I just strongly do, give their head, dog, keep it cordial. I'm just trying to get these good vibes, not your karma. Money been on my mind, I ain't got time, fuck a argument. Building that bad back up, build it back up just like an architect. You got insecurities, you lacking confidence. Stuck at rock bottom with a shitload of problems. You wanna blame the whole world for the reasons you got it. Until you be a man about it, I don't want you real. I fold the fold. They stress and mold, they hate and mold. They come around me, around me. I keep the dough, I smoke slow. They stress and mold, they hate and mold. They come around me, around me.
Full of hydro and you can smell it on my clothes. Laid way back behind black, getting blow. Full of hydro and you can smell it on my clothes. Laid way back behind black, getting blow. Full of hydro and you can smell it on my clothes. Laid way back behind black, getting blow. Full of hydro and you can smell it on my clothes. Man, I live up in BR, I'm gon' die up in BR. I got shit to do today, so I can't die till tomorrow. I done stole a bag of dro, I'm getting high till tomorrow. Nigga play with me right now, I'm bustin' 9 until tomorrow. My shit got a bad motor, I ain't promised it tomorrow. So as long as I got gas, I'm I'ma drive it till tomorrow. I'm looking for a bitch that bad so we can act until tomorrow. Put that hoe up on this drum and beat that ass until tomorrow. Baby mama ass just gonna be mad until tomorrow. Me and Boosie rolling guards and acting bad until tomorrow. How about we get pissy drunk and then stagger till tomorrow? If it's tight, I wanna borrow. Let me have her till tomorrow. Give a fuck about who smell it when it's coming out the car. I'm inhaling and excelling, getting blooded till tomorrow. Let's go post up at the spot and make some change till tomorrow. Know what, man, shit, I might do the same thing tomorrow. Lay way back behind black, getting low, full of hydro and you can smell it in my clothes. Lay way back behind black, getting low, full of hydro and you can smell it in my clothes. Lay way back behind black, getting low, full of hydro and you can smell it in my clothes. Lay way back behind black, getting low, full of hydro and you can smell it in my clothes. I was supposed to go and drop my red bone off a night. But some fish she tryna cop, say she need it right now. What happened? Some fish she tryna cop, say she need it right now. What happened was I had stopped by my nigga B-Spot and he lit a big blunt of that dro and I forgot who I forgot. I was supposed to go to the studio, I got some hits to drop, but a bitch had hit me on the phone and told me to come pick her up. Was high as fuck, my dick got hard. She telling me I see so hot. She took them drawers off and I forgot. Went and checked the mailbox, a subpoena from the motherfucker telling me my cold date in 2 weeks for beating on my older woman. Showed up at that whole apartment smoking something, ran it to her, put it in her mouth, charged and dropped it. Man, you know what nigga. Lay way back behind black, getting low, full of hydro and you can smell it in my clothes. Lay way back behind black, getting low, full of hydro and you can smell it in my clothes. Lay way back behind black, getting low, full of hydro and you can smell it in my clothes. Smell it in my clothes.
Gotta have really spoil myself, man. Now I can really appreciate and enjoy this high vibrational level.
I just got off from the long day of working, I'm tired and dying. All I wanna do is smoke and get high. Give me a plate of food at the couch and just lie. Wake up on the next day and try to ride. I just got off from the long day of working, I'm tired and dying. All I wanna do is smoke and get high. Just make a plate of food at the couch and just die. Wake up on the next day and try to ride. Burn some nigga with a smoking light. Gang cigarettes, yeah, I roll them tight. Thick green nuggets like brown and bags. Reached in my pocket and found it like fucking nigga, we can blow a pound a night. Lift up, kick a couple clouds a night. Clean up house, get your housing right. Talk about enjoying this astounding life. I'm in touch like Motorola. Love smelling that Doja odor. I'm elevated, I'm loaded. Don't wanna leave, no scrolling over. Skydiving, I'm off the plane. Free falling, I'm from bang. I'm feeling so awesome, man. Free my mind, I'm off chain. You won't like that, free my mind, I'm off chain. Like new niggas, free my mind, I'm off chain. Everything is okay, everything is okay. Just keep riding gently. I just got off, I just tired and tired. All I wanna do is smoke it. Put me a plate of food at the couch and just die. And wake up on the next day and try to get by. I just got off on a long day of working. I'm tired and tired. All I wanna do is smoke it. Put me a plate of food at the couch and just die. And wake up on the next day and try to get by.
Happy 420.